Hey guys, subscribe. Well, so comments in Notion are really good for collaboration, but if you're using it for yourself, they kind of take up space. Like over here, you can hide the properties, which is useful, but this thing you can't hide. Um, this add a comment box, it's really annoying. But if you install something called Notion Enhanced, which is a safe thing. It has a bunch of features for Notion. Um, well, you can hide comments with it, so I'll put a link in the description. But basically, you once you get to the link, you click here and down here, and then you get one of these according to your OS. But yeah, so once you get it, you can hide the comments by there's you first have to make a file called a file. You can name it whatever you want, a txt file, and so I'll just name it whatever .txt, right? Then you open it, and in there you copy this code. So actually, this code comes from the Notion Enhanced website, which is the tweaks section of the website, and this one is for hiding the comments. So then you save it, save, or Control S. It works in Notepad too. And then you want to change the file extension to a CSS file, and then you press yes, because CSS is a file type for changing the layout. It's like a styling. It's usually used for websites and stuff. Anyway, so once you do that, you open up your Notion Enhanced, or well, it's like Notion, but it just has a few more features. And then you press Control plus Alt plus E, right? Control Alt E, and that opens up your menu. And over here, you have all this stuff. None of this stuff doesn't matter, but click over here in Extensions. You can either scroll it or search it, but it's right here, Tweaks. And you enable it, clicking over here, and then you upload file, and then you find the file. Here's my file. It's called whatever.css, and double click, reload, and as you can see, it's all gone. The comments are gone. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope this helped, because it's annoying.